Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products available in the market. Today, we're going to talk about the YoLink Outdoor Security Siren and Smart Alarm Controller Kit. If you're looking for the best remote alarm siren, this is definitely one to consider. With a loud 110 decibels alarm, it ensures you're alerted to any suspicious activity around your property. Let's break down what makes this product a game changer for your security system. First off, one of the standout features of the YoLink siren is its wireless design. That's right, no complicated wiring, and no need for an external power supply. The siren is completely battery-powered, running on 4Ah batteries. This makes installation a breeze and ensures you can place the siren wherever you need it, whether it's in a far corner of your property or mounted on a distant fence. It's truly hassle-free. Speaking of placement, the YoLink Outdoor Security Siren offers an impressive range of up to a quarter mile in open air. This is made possible by the LoRa-based wireless network, which provides a long-range connection without relying on Wi-Fi or internet. This means that even if your Wi-Fi signal goes out, or you experience an internet disruption, your alarm system will still function flawlessly. You won't have to worry about connectivity issues, which is crucial for maintaining reliable security. The YoLink siren doesn't just stop at loudness and range. It's designed to be extremely user-friendly. The system works with a hub, and once you set it up with the YoLink app, you'll be able to control it right from your smartphone. Whether you're on your home Wi-Fi or using mobile data, the app lets you monitor your system, check battery levels, and receive instant alerts whenever the siren goes off. It's compatible with both Android and iOS devices, and even integrates seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT, and Home Assistant, giving you smart home capabilities like never before. Now, let's talk about how it can integrate with other devices. If you already have a few YoLink sensors, like door, motion, or vibration sensors, you can pair them with your siren using a siren fob. This allows for a multi-device setup where all your security sensors and alarms work together seamlessly. It's perfect for a variety of use cases, from securing your home and garage to setting up protection for vehicles, RVs, or even remote properties where Wi-Fi may not be available. One of the best features of this product is its reliability. Since the YoLink siren operates independently of your Wi-Fi, you can rely on it even during power outages or if the internet goes down. This is a game changer for anyone looking for a fail-safe security solution. The siren will keep working, giving you peace of mind knowing that your property is protected no matter the circumstances. To wrap things up, the YoLink Outdoor Security Siren and Smart Alarm Controller Kit is an excellent choice if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and powerful alarm system. Its wireless design, long-range capabilities, smart integration, and independent operation make it one of the best remote alarm sirens out there. Whether you're securing your home, your vehicle, or a remote property, this alarm kit has got you covered. If you enjoyed this review and want to learn more about the YoLink siren or other smart home products, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique. We'll keep bringing you the best of the best. Thanks for watching.